Okay, so he is pulling it out right now. This is our custom built rig. He's got a little toggle switch. It just turns it off and on. And this is this the first time you've loaded it yourself, right?
It's the first time I've loaded it myself.
All right, so
Of course, there's a little learning curve, make a few mistakes, and go, oh yeah.
Well, and we'll do another video, and you've become a master at it. But it's kind of fun to see that you can learn. So what is the purpose of that piece? Is that just a handle? Or does it have another? Oh, hold the back wheel. Oh, makes sense. So all of this, if you can see, it sits above the tailgate. None of the weight is on our tailgate, so we stress out the tailgate. Here comes the next set. Is the chock for the front wheel. And there it tips down. Should I be helping with something? This is my first time watching this. I've never seen it happen before, so I'm pretty excited. And there it goes, it's tipping up. Give you a sideways view of it. We actually traveled all the way from the East Coast to Phoenix to get this. The work is done spectacularly. Jerry did a great job for us.
Now we need to load a bike on.
All right. Not like that. Really? All right, I'm going to put it on pause for a minute. So this is the truck that we're putting on, and it's equipped with a tow bar. We tow it behind our 32-foot RV, so it makes quite a long package. This is our f150. The flat tow is super easy. You can find lots of videos on that. I won't show you that part. And this is the bike we're putting on. If you saw Christian earlier,
and yeah, I don't know if you saw me in shorts and a shirt, but safety first before I move the bike. Put on my nice steel-toed whatever type boots and some safety glasses and the helmet, and that should do it for the safety. Although I think the glasses might fog off, they might fall off here in just a few minutes. This is a safety briefing of the lift that we're going to do. I will back the bike out, I'll line it up, and then we'll tie it down.
Okay, I'm putting you on pause for a minute. Now you might be wondering how he's going to put his bike on that kind of incline. I'm a little bit wondering too. I can't wait to see. Okay, you're on.
So the next thing is to get it lined up straight with the lift there, and you can see where the wheel goes into the lift, and I'm going to make some noise and back in and out a couple times so I get it all straight.
Okay, and I'm going to pause while you do that.
And Becky will also be my safety person to let me know when it's in the lift, but I'll get it close and then we'll start recording again.
Okay, let's see how this goes. Attempt.
Line up the bike, and we're going to put it in the truck, and Becky will be my guide.
Okay, he said he's going to he's lined up the bike, he's going to put it in the truck, and I'm his guide. I don't know what I'm doing here. Looks, I think, perfect. Maybe. Oh, okay, it went in. I was trying to signal you to stop because it was about 1/4 of an inch offset, but it worked itself in. You were okay. You didn't stop.
Great. So we're still recording?
We're still recording. Should I pause it or are we good?
No, keep it recording.
Keep it recording. Okay.
Once you get the bike in, you fasten down the wheel.
Right
now,
through
as
the
you
wheel?
see, I may have a wee bit of a problem. As you can see, the valve stem is right here. That's not a good thing. This is going to go through there, tighten down the wheel, so I'm going to move it back and take a little run around the block, because any excuse for a ride is a good excuse. And we'll do it again. Be back in a moment.
Have a fun ride. And if you notice, he has his guardian bell hanging down on the bottom, so we should be safe at this. Christian has literally been riding since he was tiny, and he is very safe at what he does. Let's see how close he can get. Come a little bit this way. Come left. He can't hear me. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. This way. Okay. I think that's it. Oh, really? I don't know what's happening here exactly. So what was it supposed to be doing that it didn't do?
Okay. I can have you hold right here.
Right here? Okay. What am I holding from?
Just stand off to the side and hold it right there.
Okay. Holding.
Push this down like this.
While you're doing this?
Yeah.
Oh God. Okay. Whoops. I'm recording. Maybe I can edit that out later. I'm not sure. Okay, you've got to go a little bit left. Little bit left. Like that much. Oh, I don't like this. Oh my goodness. Nope, more this way. Think you're on. Nope, more. Oh, I don't think I did something right. I didn't hold it. Okay, that's where it was. I'm sorry for the terrible camera work. This is my first time doing this. We'll record again. Is that what it's supposed to be? I don't know what I was supposed to do. Having never seen this process before.
That's pretty much what it's supposed to be.
Okay.
Look, no valve stem.
No valve stem. Woo! So this is just, it's a special belt. I like that it's got the cap over it, so it's not gonna, even if motion, it's not gonna wiggle loose. It's going right through the wheel. Should I come with you? I'm gonna pause for a minute. Okay, and he's hooking it up on the other side. The bike is saying, "Why are you moving me?" Beep, beep. It's got a great alarm system. And there it is. He's just cinching that up. Is that like a ratchet tightener so that it gets nice and tight?
Yep.
So they're designed ingeniously. I feel kind of like when they recorded Narnia and the littlest girl coming through the closet, she didn't get to see what she was coming into so that they would have the real look of surprise. That's kind of what I'm feeling right now. I have no idea how this is all working. Although I'm not nearly as cute as that little girl was. But I do feel like a little bit like I'm coming through an old closet into Narnia.
Lucy was the little girl's name.
Lucy. Oh, Lucy, of course.
So I want to make sure that I get one full wrap with this so that it gets nice and tight. And no slippage.
No slippage.
Okay, if I can have you push the handlebar, just push the bike.
We're gonna push it up. Okay, I'm gonna put on pause. Alrighty. Now what, Christian?
So once we get this tied down, the next step is to tie down the bike by going through the triple tree.
Through the triple tree. Nope, not really seeing much through your arms, but they get the idea where it is. There it is. Sorry, didn't mean to flip the camera around. Okay. And you're tying an S.
And it gets tied down to these bolts.
Tied down to those bolts right there. Okay.
This side will not get tightened up until after that side's tied down, because that is the side with the kickstand or jiffy stand if you prefer.
Oh,
So-
I've never heard that phrase. Jiffy stand. That's jiffy.
And I need that for the other
I think
side.
I just zoomed like crazily. I don't want to
That for
zoom
the
that
other
much.
side.
Here's the direction I was trying to go.
And as you can see, these straps are 16 miles long.
16 miles. Is that an accurate number? I like it.
Well, okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. Maybe they're only 12.
Long enough for the back of our truck plus some. And they provided these straps for us, but you can also purchase or have them
Get your own.
get your own tie downs. They're just tie
And the
downs, right?
straps have a latch on them,
That's
so
really.
they will not just pop off.
We don't want popping off straps.
And once again, it's the cam action.
Cam, actually, I was calling it ratchet. Cam. I'm learning all kinds of, oops, terminology. Oh, that is really long for what you need that for. That's crazy. Does
And
that other
notice there
end
is
tie
no
to any-
tension on this.
No tension. Okay, I'm pausing for a moment. I'm going to walk around. And we're back on the other side of the bike now. This is the
Once again, through the triple tree.
through the triple tree. This time I'll look at it from this angle. See if we can see better what you're doing. With a head bonk is special action. Good thing you still have your helmet on.
It helps to have the helmet on. That way I don't bang my head. Everything in my head.
You're doing really good for this being the first time you've ever done it alone, huh? So that does show both the ease of the system and the training that he gave. Sound like a commercial. I'm just excited. I want everybody to have bike freedom in their F150 trucks or whatever you drive. Okay, we'll put that little S hook with the latch on it. And then latch again. There you go. That looks pretty hooked. Okay, come around this way so you can see it. So there's that one. And now he's taking that strap through the eyelet. And this one we tighten. Then hooking it into the S hook. And pulling the cord through the ratchety thing. All he's doing right now is straightening it out. I have it on Zoom, so you're not really seeing that. There you go. Into the ratchety thing. Let's see if we can get a better angle this way. called it a cam, not a ratchet. Makes a ratchet sound. Do you have to have it that tight so that when you actually pull it out, you can put the bike down without? Now, does the kickstand go down then inside the truck?
Yes.
Okay. You don't have to ride it up on the truck, do you? I don't know. I'll find out. Never mind. Surprise me.
Tighten it down till where the shock just starts to move. There we go. Pressure on the shock.
You tighten it down so there's pressure on the shock?
Yep.
Just a little bit, right?
Just move it.
Okay.
And now we'll come over to the other side, the one that was nice and loose. We're going to tighten that one down.
Do a little pressure on the shock. Get to where you can see the shock too.
Need to make it a little tighter. Just didn't quite get enough.
See
There
the
we
shock
go.
going down just a bit. Yep.
See the pressure
I saw it
on
this
the
time.
shock.
Yeah. Okay, putting it on pause for just a minute.
Off.
What's that?
Go ahead and get off.
Okay. I like to get off on the bike.
Do that one more time.
Recording.
And once you've got all that done, the next fun thing we got to do is move the kickstand.
And hope you did everything right. Looks good.
And I do not want this item on the bike while I'm traveling. So
Ooh, I think I could put 10 pairs of shoes in that back.
I've seen you put 32 pairs of shoes in.
Not in that one. It was the other case. It was 32 pairs just to test it. I didn't actually ride that way.
Once again, check everything.
Everything's tight.
Everything's tight. Put that down. This is down.
Oh, I'm scared.
And now we're ready to take it in.
Should I be helping? Oh, my mercy. You know, that stuff we unloaded is going to show up as soon as you move your bike. It's the lead frame. Oh well, we got some mess.
You're gonna need to get more of a tip. So you're gonna need more of a tip.
Okay, so we can start the whole thing over. There it goes. Oh my gosh. Pulls the wheel right onto that back brace. Front wheel's on the shock. Bike is crying. Don't tie me up, it says. Oh my gosh, it looks It's gonna be weird to look in my rear view mirror. There it goes. What happens now?
One on the other side too.
That's it, isn't it? I just heard a clunk.
There we go. How far do you
Here. We're full time in the RV.
We
Yep.
live right there.
We live right there.
Timers.
Yep, yep. Now we are.
I've been
I
down here.
drove it all the way from Virginia.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, DC, basically.
Well, in fact, when you drove it from Virginia, you did an iron butt through a tornado, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Seriously.
I'm from Minnesota.
Got stuck in Kansas for like 4 days.
I'm from Minnesota. I got a road thing in this first year in 22 years that I haven't brought it down.
Wow.
And it turned out it was cold. Not for me, but getting barred.
Down here.
I'm going to put it on pause for a minute.
Look, it's in.
Oops. Say it
And
again.
We had help.
This is Ray.
Help.
He and Barb ride too. Okay, so it's in. We did it. Woohoo! I'm narning it up. Have a good day, everybody.
So where did